Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 best methods to backup Mac. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. How to backup Mac using Time Machine. Click on the Apple logo available on the top left corner. An options list will open. Choose the System Settings option. Then a window will open. Move to the General section. There you will find the Time Machine option. Click on it to launch the Time Machine setting. Then it shows the list of added backup disk. If you haven't added any backup disk, you will find the Add Backup Disk option. Click on it to add backup disk. Then a window will pop up and shows you the connected hard disks. Choose the hard disk and click on Add Backup Disk. A window will pop up. Enable the Encrypt Backup option to make the disk password protected. Set password by entering password, and hint to remember your password. If you don't want to set password to the disk, disable the encrypt option. Later, click on Done. Then the backup preparing process starts. After the completion of setup, Time Machine sets to backup automatically. If you want to backup now, right-click on the disk. An option will be seen. Choose that option to start the backup at this moment. This is how you can backup Mac to external hard disk using Time Machine. Number 2. iCloud. iCloud is the official cloud storage available for Apple users to store the data of their iPhones and Macs. It is a very safe place to store important and confidential files without any other thoughts. It provides 5 GB of free storage space for each Apple ID, and you can also extend the storage space by spending some money. Highlights of iCloud. Easy to backup and recover. Provides 5 GB of free cloud storage. Upgradation of cloud storage is available. Syncs data automatically. How to backup Mac using iCloud. Click on the Apple logo available on the top left corner. An options list will open. Choose the System Settings option from the list. Then a window will pop up. Move to the Account section by clicking on the Apple ID option. There you will find the options related to your Apple account. Click on the iCloud option. Then it shows all the iCloud related options. Click on the iCloud Drive option. A window will pop up. Click on Options. Then it shows the list of apps that store documents in iCloud. Later, click on Done. Scroll down to find applications that are set to backup to iCloud. Number 3. DiskDrill. DiskDrill is a premium data backup and recovery software that has a huge user base because of its success rate in recovering data. This has a clean and very interactive interface. This allows you to recover deleted, crashed, and lost data from internal and external hard drives. Along with the hard drives, it supports recovering the data from storage devices like memory cards, pen drives, iPhones, iPads, etc. This is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. Highlights of DiskDrill. Safe to use. No professional skills are needed to use DiskDrill. Supports all major devices. It allows recovering 400+ file types. Compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. Available in free and pro versions. Pricing. DiskDrill provides its services in 3 plans, such as Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The prices of all the 3 versions are as displaying on screen. How to backup Mac using DiskDrill. Launch any browser on your Mac and visit the official site of DiskDrill. Check description for the link. Click on the Free Download option to start downloading the application. Drag DiskDrill into the Applications folder to install the application. Launch the application after successful installation. Then you will find the interface as shown in the tutorial. Click on the Byte-to-Byte backup option available in the Extra Tools section. Then it shows the list of hard disks connected to your Mac. Choose the hard disk from that list. And click on the Continue and Create Backup option. That's it. Backup file is created using DiskDrill. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.